What's up, guys? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Got another video here for you, and on today's video, well, you guys saw me put that in the back of the Mini. That is the Ballade Sports M front lip, so it's like the Mugen replica. Why is it going in the back of the Mini though, right? Well, because I'm actually taking it over to this guy right here. Throw his IG up. Do So Sick Garcia, and he is going to be painting the front lip for me. SGP, obviously the correct paint code and everything. So that's what's going on, and that's really it. This is going to be a super short video, you guys. I'm going to drive over there right now, drop it off. Should have the lip back within like a week or so, because it's going to be done professionally. This guy's very good at what he does, and you know, shout out to Do So Sick. So all right, guys, I'm not going to do a POV drive or anything like that. I'm literally just going to go over there, drop off the lip, and that'll be the video. Rev Moto bumper should be here this week, hopefully. That's what is going to happen, but we'll see. Should be momentary though. Honestly, it's super close. The front bumper is almost here. I can't wait to get the front end done and start with this damn MHI stage 2 turbo build. So all right, y'all, much love and blessings. Skylyfe, let's roll. All right, y'all, I arrived at Dosik's place. Dosik, you want to say what's up to the channel, man?
Everybody, is Dosik here?
Dosik is going to be the one that is going to paint the Mugen lip. Well, the Ballade Sports replica Mugen lip. But you want to take it out, bro?
Yeah, okay.
And so what are we doing, man? Just the SGP gave you the paint code.
Yeah, making her shine again.
Primer.
Yep.
Clear coat.
A nice little wet clear coat.
No wet clear coat.
Yep, pretty much.
So this is the painter for the Type R's of AZ, y'all. And he does good work. We've done business before, but never paint business.
Yeah,
so
trying to get more business in painting, definitely. So.
Yep. Is that your R under the cover there, bro?
Yeah, it's under there.
Shit.
It's getting built motor right now.
Oh,
so, I mean, going fully built, like completely built, sleeve, block. Just pretty much waiting for it to get shipped.
Damn, that's good.
Yeah, it broke down.
You got it under his cover here.
Yeah, had to protect it from this really rush weather.
Yeah.
It's really harsh.
How is it over here in this neighborhood? Any problems?
No, I was keeping it aside. Never had no problems for 3 years.
For sure. Oh yeah.
It's all torn apart.
He's got SCP too.
Just trying to make it pretty clean. It's probably gonna end up getting wrapped probably like in 3 months. Black gold color.
Oh, you got the...
Yeah, I replaced this lip twice. Happened since they're really common on flipping backwards.
Yeah.
I'll have to order a new one of those. It probably possibly a bumper as well.
Bumper as well.
Yeah.
Just like me.
Yeah, it's gonna be expensive.
They're cheap, I know, bro. Like, they're not cheap, but these cars are made cheap.
Yeah.
The FL5 is a lot better made.
The way the lip is attached, it's barely hold on by a couple tabs on the mesh, and then just a tab underneath the fog lights on each, and it's just not enough when you're going so fast in the car. Right. For the track, you gotta have the splitter. Yeah, you have to have the splitter. You don't wanna. Speaking of that, you guys, I did want to update you. I did order the race bred splitter. It's gonna be 2 inches out. So let's use Dosik's car here. It's gonna be about right. I'd say right there. Yeah, so it's gonna be perfect. 2 inches is perfect. You don't need any more than 2 inches. You really don't, bro. Yeah, definitely. I think 3 inches and 4 inches is overdoing it. So. Yeah. No, definitely gonna look really nice though. Yeah. Can't wait to see it with the new setup. Right. Carlos is going to be installing, so. Yeah. No, you can come through, man, if you want on install day. It's gonna look sick. And then, as you know, Dosik, I'm doing the MHI Stage 2 turbo build. Oh, yeah, you're gonna have fun with that. After the front end is up. Yeah, no, you're gonna have fun with that. That's what I have on mine, and it was making at least 530, maybe 550 to the wheels.
Wow.
And it was getting.
That's
all
what he has, you guys. You hear that? 530, 550 on E30. Oh, E50.
Yeah.
Oh.
E50.
I don't know if I can push E50, but I'm gonna do a E30 for sure.
Do all the if you have all the cooling mods, I think you should be capable of E50.
I do. I got the Mishimoto radiator, the coolant hoses, the front mount intercooler, the inlet pipe.
Yeah, then you should be depending on the tuner.
Intake, obviously. Right.
You'll be able to hit that and hit well over 500 like nothing.
Like nothing, huh? All right, Dosick. Thank you, bro.
Man. Thank you.
Should have this back. You think in a week?
Yeah, in a week, week and a half at most. Just want to make sure everything goes smooth on it.
Right, because you guys, he really takes his time painting, so it comes out beautiful. So just trust me. Once you guys see it, you'll understand. I'd rather wait a week than rush it in 3 days. You know.
And so just, follow me on Dosick. DOSIKZ_FKA.
Yeah, I plugged your IG, bro. But here you guys go again. Plug right there.
All right, thank you guys.
All right, y'all. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. We're gonna let the man get to work, but you guys, much love, major blessings. Never give up, never hesitate for a damn thing. Always put your best foot forward. Live life to your fullest. This is Skylyfe Projects. Let's go.